foodies! You are all amazing. Can you believe it's been 1 year already? Wow, what a fun and delicious ride it's been. I'm so grateful for all of you. Your support, love, and enthusiasm means the world to me. So grateful for this incredible community we've built together. Let's keep growing, learning, and exploring the world of food. Just to celebrate 1 year of my YouTube channel, Fofolicious Food Bites had a free cake baking class given back to the community. One of my greatest joy and passion. You see, I must admit, the show of love and support to make my dream come true was just so amazing. From around the world, people supported the free training. We all had a great time baking lots of gifts and goodies. It was fun and educational. Special shout outs to our amazing supporters, HPI Health Providers Initiative, Dr. Oyenike of Ibadan Entrepreneurs Network, Mrs. Temitope Glitz Events, Mrs. Itayo, and all friends around the world. You people are the best. Stay tuned for more free training sessions. Collaborate with us. Be part of our food journey. And here we are. It's a year of amazing food journey. I have something special but yet simple to make today. Let me show you how to make tortilla kebab with a drizzled mayonnaise and cheesy spread with fried sweet potatoes, plantain, and fried eggs. Absolutely yummy. Get your ground beef, onions, pepper, green bell pepper, red pepper, spring onions, garlic, bouillon cubes, spices, eggs, vegetable oil, tortilla, plantain, and sweet potatoes. I made some flour tortillas earlier. You can watch how to make them in my previous video. Cut them into squares, then start mixing the ground beef, the spring onions, pepper, onions, seasoning, garlic, vegetable oil, then just spread the beef one layer at a time and cut through. Make sure you cut through into equal strips. Here we have 4. Then flip it onto the side. Then insert the skewers and cut through the layers. Line your baking tray with baking sheets. Place your tortilla kebab. Brush with more garlic oil and into the oven. You can also grill the kebab on open fire grill. Now the kebab is in the oven. It's time to fry the plantain and the sweet potatoes. You can see it's the orange variety of sweet potato. It is so rich in vitamin A and also it has a long shelf life. Just cut and slice and it's ready for frying. You fry your plantain. You know I love plantain. Then crack some eggs, add some spring onions, green pepper, red pepper, a pinch of salt, whisk together and fry. Time to plate. The kebab is ready. Top it with mayonnaise and cheese. Sprinkle some spring onions for that color. It's so colorful. So yummy with all the garlic flavor coming out. Let me take a bite now. This is so good. This is really so good. Please recreate this recipe. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe for more healthy and easy recipes. Thank you yet again for the 1 year and many more years to come.